Ladies and gentlemen, you're so much welcome on the show. My name is the baddest, the Win King Smith on the MIC. Ngabulijo amanya mpita King Smith era lunako lwairo tuwano ku Pearl of Africa Hotel ngabo kitegere tugenda kwatogerako kona abakulu banji nnyo okuva mu entertainment industry nenga tewerabira kyoyinza okukola kimu subscribe wansawo ku Celeb Jazz Extra tubenga tukwasaganya ekintu kino tugenda kuba twogerako ne mwana mulenzi MC Cuts atubulye kubibye ne mwana muwala amanyiddwa nga Fille wabazemo batebazemo then tugenda kuba twogerako ne mwana mulenzi amanyiddwa nga Fille Maker atubulye kubibye ne Shila Gashumba biri bitya oshegede tegede bebe then side zeri ate yo ya set house batukiza tunuzayo kamera nenja kubanyongera okulagamba ebintu bokulaga ebintu binyinyo wano nyinyi wetuli neka kitugenda okola katambule nga tugenda ate side zeri ewali emikolo ejonako olwalero osobanga otegera ki ekigenda maso. So much welcome. I'm with the beautiful, the lady herself. She's going to be telling us about her name. Hello.
Hi.
What's up?
Nothing much.
Man, you look so beautiful and so smart. Shy?
Yeah, I'm kind of shy.
Would you be shy?
Oh, just okay. I fear eyes, like, yeah.
Really?
Yeah, yeah.
So what's your name?
Natalia or Charity.
Is that Ugandan? Because it doesn't sound even Ugandan.
And then, okay, you want to know my local name?
No. I'm just saying because both names don't sound really so.
Natalia, it's English.
So who's his dad's and who's his mom's?
Oh, moms and dads in Abalo.
Really?
Yeah.
So what do you do?
Me, I'm a student at
Where?
KU.
What are you doing at KU?
Journalism and medias.
So now you host me.
Oh.
Let's see some of the schools you've gotten. Which year are you in?
I'm just in first year.
Yeah, don't worry. Because I know you're passionate about this, so you host me. I give you the mic. Much once again welcome to Celeb Jazz Extra. My name is One King Smith. Unakoletu chiringide wano ku Pearl of Africa Hotel esangwa side na kasero wagulu ku lusozi kumpi ne State House side eri wali State House side yechemanga obero tunulira South African Embassy side zeri atobero tunulira side ya Swedish oba Danish Embassy. Nengo nakolero just mbade ko wano ku Pearl of Africa ku night ya MC Cuts era ngangezako kubanga kutusako agamu kwaga muli agagenda dala maaso mula Fille Maker abadonga performinga mulabye mwana muwala Shamike abadonga performinga Hazy okuva mu Cuts Music naye abaddewo nga performinga ate n'abantu bangi nnyo abaddewo ngenda kuba njogerako ne some of those revealers ababaddewo mu kifo kino nga tugezaako okulaba ate embeera ebadde tabanyumiddwa banywedde omwenge ki eno night ya MC Cuts esoose wano ku Pearl of Africa Hotel era ng'agenda kuba gikola buli lwakusatu naye kyendaba ekyenjawulo badde batugambye nti no Fille agenda kujja mu kizimbe nakuba Fille sikoze eki simulabyeko ate aba Cuts Music bomba labyeko naye Cuts abaddeko byayogedde about ensonga za Fille nabyo mugenda kuba mubiraba olunaku lwaleero ku show. Anyways ngenda kuba njogerako n'abamu kwabo ababaddeko ladies ababaddeko wano ku Pearl of Africa nga tugezaako Shiba. Ladies, come over. Enjoy with me. Sit on it. Hi.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm okay, how are you?
Banange entuulo eno tebakwasa buzibu because entertainment show. Naye what's your name?
I'm called Shiba.
Shiba. Ninaye abalene mabega. Hi.
Hi,
What's up?
my name is MC Hopkins, the baddest female MC from Eastern Uganda. Atenza agendo chikwata ne mu Central.
Baba okobaki?
Ezira baba okobachi.
Baba ndi awo.
Tuli wano mu Pearl of Africa mana amatala gaaka. Gaaka wake. Aye. Obulamu bunuma baba obwire. Sadiki.
Baba tukobere.
Tukole ku center abadinda bona mbakoba mukole ku center mwide ku Pearl of Africa Wednesday celebrity night. It has been awesome.
Hi.
Hey, hello. I'm okay. How are you?
What's your name?
I'm Sharon.
What are you doing here?
Enjoying guest
You're above 18.
and meeting the celebrity.
Are you above 18?
I'm above 18. Oh my God.
What do you do with yourself?
Partying.
Party after party.
Party after party after party after party.
Manange mukama katonda ati kino tinka kirebere anywhere. I've just seen it at Pearl of Africa. Anyways, katukatubuzemu tuogereko ku nsonga za MC Cuts ne Fille. Ozogerako. Gamba muno tugenda mu maaso tugenda kwatogera ku nsonga za MC Cuts n'abakyala bano ne Fille. Tutandise ne Shiba kikyolowooza ku nsonga za MC Cuts ne Fille.
Ndowooza nti ku nsonga zaabwe it's very fine for them to get together because betegeera nnyo ku nsonga yetubategeera. So it's very bad to judge someone before they judge themselves. So it's very better for Fille and Cuts to get together because bemanyi nnyo okusinga ffe tubamanyi.
So lowooza okuddingana kyakabi ekisinga.
Kyakabi kyekisinga kubanga bo bemanyi nnyo okusinga yetubamanyi.
Baali bakukyayeko?
Bibaawo.
MC Hopkins, nawulira gomanyi ku industry. Nawulira muno kaali kabadde okyogerako ki?
Ngabo manyi paparazzi, showbiz, you know, you have to keep relevant in the industry. You have to keep stories coming in. You have to keep tweeting. You have to keep the headlines trending. So, to some extent, if it was a showbiz, it worked for him. It really worked for him. But about what you said, okuddamu, it's good because olabeko behind there when they were having their problems. I feel his music wasn't moving so that much. Only that the Squeeze song brought her back, but still she was doing kind of badly. So okuddamu, it's okay. Kubanga, I mean, love binds everything.
Would you do kabaddi for all those months? Because you're in the show business. Oyinza osala nokola kabaddi for all that long because oyagala keeping in the headlines?
If I have a daughter like Fille and I have to work hard for my daughter and the father has to work hard and we talked about it and we discussed, why not? I mean, why not?
Sambanga ekiro mweraba. What if Fille came out and she's pregnant?
That would bring many question marks and we would come back at Pearl of Africa and have the same video and asking who's the father of the kid.
Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. Any shout-outs?
I shout out to everyone. I shout out to my team, MC Hopkins. I shout out to everyone who believes in me. I shout out to you. For the first time you saw me, you knew I would do this thing. And I'm keeping it on and on and on because I know I'm the baddest.
All right, any shout-outs to anyone?
First of all, I shout out to MC Hopkins. She's the best female MC I ever seen in the world. She believes in herself. Courage is all she got for herself. Chambogo students, I love you all. Zambia students, I love you all. Yeah, that is all I got to say.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, that has been it for today. Tubadde wano ku Pearl of Africa, but every school, campus, school next year, we are coming to your school, the school nearby you. So subscribe to Celeb Jazz Extra. My name is One King Smith, and the baddest camera person I've worked with tonight, Bamwita Hangington Touch, the baddest. Anyway, catch you next time. Bye-bye.